Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make salmon oil updated. Begin by choosing fresh salmon trimmings and removing skin and bones. Slowly extract oil using low heat to prevent burning and oxidation. Strain carefully through fine mesh or cheesecloth into sterilized jars while warm. Cool, label with the date, and store in the fridge for weeks or freeze for months to retain quality and freshness. Start with safety and quality checks before processing any fish parts. Use 3 simple methods: low simmer, oven roast, or slow cooker extraction, and choose based on time and control. Maintain low temperature to avoid oxidation and off flavors, and monitor for foam or burning. Use a thermometer and keep below 140 degrees F when extracting, then strain and decant oil into sterilized containers while warm for best clarity and longevity. To preserve salmon oil, minimize air, light, and heat exposure at all times. Add natural antioxidants like mixed tocopherols or a squeeze of lemon to slow rancidity, and freeze extra portions in ice cube trays for easy dosing. Use amber bottles, fill to reduce headspace, and rotate stock monthly. Smell and taste test before use. Discard if fishy or sharp odors develop, and never feed rancid oil to pets regularly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.